Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to export multiple artboards on Affinity. Okay, the first thing that you should do is simply go and click on these three horizontal or vertical dots on the top left side right here. Then you want to make sure that you have this option toggled on, slice. After that, you want to go and click on the selection tool and select all the artboards like so. Then go and click on slice. Then you want to go to the right side and choose the preset, the file format, which is PNG or JPG, whatever you want. Then choose here the ICC profile, which is Adobe RGB here in my case, or Apple RGB. Then you want to go and click on slices, then go and click on export slices right here. Then you want to choose the where that you want to put them, and you're all done. It will do the export, and here as you can see, I have it on my desktop. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.